With 130 watts of power, a 3-way audio system and an impressive 18,000 mAh battery, the Tronsmart Bang Max is a great portable speaker for any party or event. Its larger size with an easy-to-carry handle delivers some great audio, and with Bluetooth as well as microphone and instrument inputs, the possibilities are endless. Now, full disclosure, before we get started, the video is sponsored by Tronsmart, and they've sent me the Bang Max for free to showcase to you guys. The Tronsmart Bang Max takes portable speakers to a whole new level thanks to its impressive maximum volumes, IPX6 waterproofing, plenty of built-in features, and its easy-to-carry design. We'll start off by going through the specs, and then we're going to cover the sound test and all of the features. So as I said at the start, we've got a 130-watt 3-way speaker system, and this is made up of two 35-watt woofers, two 20-watt mid-tweeters, and then two 10-watt tweeters, and they're all placed in the front behind the grille, and then we've got two passive radiators each side. We've got all of the buttons along the top to easily control the speaker, but you can also control it with your phone or the app. On the left side of the bar, we've got the power indicator. This has got 4 dots, and each dot represents 25% of power. We've then got the power button that you can also single press to control the LEDs on the side, and we get 3 different LED modes. We've got the volume down, the play or pause, and the volume up. We've then got a stereo pairing button if you want to connect multiple speakers together. We've got the sound pulse EQ button, a TuneCon button, and then an echo button. Now underneath at the back, we've got a TF card slot, a USB port, an aux input, and then we've also got a guitar input and a mic input, followed by the DC in. Now the great thing about the mic and guitar or mic 2 inputs is that not only do we get the volume knobs below them, but we can also change the gain with the flathead knobs at the bottom. We get Bluetooth 5.3 with a transmission range of 18 meters or 59 foot. We've got the SBC audio codec, along with a frequency range of 50 Hz to 20 kHz and a maximum loudness of 110 decibels. The 18,000 mAh battery takes about 5 hours to charge, but it's going to last for 24 hours at 50% volume, and the speaker weighs in at just under 6 kilos. The speaker can also be used as a power bank by connecting your electronics to the USB port on the back. When it comes to sound quality, it sounds great as well as being nice and loud. It comes with a relatively balanced EQ by default, and there's nice punchy bass with clean mids and crisp highs, but you also get a choice of deep bass, classical, rock, or their patented sound pulse technology EQ, and this allows the speaker to produce those high-pitched vocals and deep bass simultaneously. Now for those of you that want some customization, you can also make your own setup thanks to a 5-band EQ, and you can easily do this in the mobile app. The speaker goes incredibly loud, and it still sounds great even at full volume. It's pumping out the deep bass while still keeping the sounds nice and clean, and this is by far the loudest portable speaker that we've ever looked at on the channel. So we'll just take a listen to the speaker now, and I'll do it up close and from a distance, but it's important to note that my camera microphone isn't going to be able to pick up the sound quality as well as your ears, so it will sound worse on my video than it does in real life.
Turn up, yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up?
So as you can see there, it goes very loud, and definitely loud enough to upset the neighbours, and when I've been using it in the garden, I tend to keep it around 40% volume. While it's playing, you can also see we've got the RGB rings around the passive radiators, and we can set these between 3 different modes, which is the carousel, a breathing mode, or the one called fashion party, and especially at night time, it's a nice addition to the speaker. The fact that we've got 2 microphone or instrument inputs on the back means that this is not only going to work as a great karaoke machine, but you can also use it as a guitar amp. If you've got 2 of these speakers, you can also pair them up for a stereo mode. We've also got the TuneCon mode, and this allows you to connect up to 100 speakers, which is crazy. Another handy feature is the dual audio mode. and this allows you to connect 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously. This is great if you're in the garden and then there's a couple of you that want to keep connecting to your speaker and play some different playlists. When you open up the Tronsmart app, you can press play, pause, and also change the speaker's volume from your phone. This is great if you're not playing music over Bluetooth and you're actually using something like a 3.5mm audio jack. We can choose from multiple EQs within the app. You can also change the play mode or LED modes from within the app as well. On top of that, you can use the app to update the speaker firmware, as well as having a copy of the manual on here as well. The fact that you've got this many features on top of a great sounding speaker means it really is the only portable speaker you're ever going to need, and thanks to its IP6 water resistance, not even the weather can stop your party. Now, as I said at the start, this is a sponsored video, so we normally only cover the specs rather than give opinions, but this is actually the best portable speaker that I've personally had on this channel. Now, in terms of pricing, they're launching with a discount. The original price is $229, £229 or €229, but from the 5th to the 15th of September, it's discounted to $169, £169 or €179, which for all of the features and the sound quality you get here, I'd say it's a decent price. If you get a speaker like this, then I can't ever see you needing to upgrade, so if you're in the market for a new speaker, then definitely check it out. Now, of course, I've placed the links down in the description below, and you can get it on Amazon UK, Amazon USA, the Tronsmart website, or even geekbuying.com. Now, hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but of course, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.